Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be discussing marshalling. Picture this. You just landed. You clear the runway, and there's someone standing on the ramp, high-vis vest, 2 wands in hand, staring right at you. Do you know what he's telling you? Well, if you hesitate, that's a problem. Marshalling signals are one of those things every pilot needs to have locked in before they ever leave the pattern. Today we're going to cover the signals you'll actually see, what they look like, what they mean, and how to respond. So let's get into it. A marshaller is your eyes on the ground. When you roll off the runway onto the ramp, ATC's job is largely done. From that point on, the marshaller is the one guiding you, telling you where to go, when to turn, when to stop, and when to shut down. Now here's how you spot yours. Look for the person in the fluorescent safety vests, usually holding 2 wands. At night or in low visibility, those wands will be illuminated. They'll be standing directly in your line of sight, typically off your left side, where you'll have the best view from the cockpit. One important rule before we get to the signals: only follow the marshaller assigned to your aircraft. On a busy ramp, there can be multiple ground crews moving around. Don't react to anyone who isn't clearly signaling you. And these signals, all of them, are standardized by ICAO, so whether you're at a small general aviation field or an international FBO, you're speaking the same language. Let's go through the signals. For each one, watch what the marshaller does, and remember what you need to do in response. Move ahead. Arms bent at the elbows, wands pumping up and down from chest to above the head. This means keep rolling forward. Maintain a slow, controlled taxi speed, and keep your eyes on the marshaller the whole time. Turning left. Right arm's gonna extend straight out to the side. That's the pointer. Left hand beckons you forward. The speed of the beckoning tells you how fast to turn. The key is to follow the extended arm. That's the direction you're going. Turning right. Mirror image of the turning left. The left arm's gonna be extended. The right hand will beckon. Same rule, follow the pointing arm. Match your turn rate to the speed of the beckoning hand. This pair of signals trips up a lot of student pilots, so drill it until it's automatic. If you need to slow down, both arms will be extended downward at roughly 45 degrees, gently moving up and down. A calm, easy does-it motion. You're gonna reduce your power and brake gently. You're coming in too fast, or a stop signal is coming. Pay attention. Stop. Arms will sweep up from the sides and cross overhead. This is your stop signal. Plant the brakes and hold position. Don't creep forward. When you see the cross, you stop. Cut engines. The throat cut. One or both arms draw across the neck, shut down the engine or engines. Complete your shutdown checklist. Do not restart without a new clearance from ground. Now here's the full rundown. Worth pausing on this if you want to commit them to memory before your next ramp operation. Marshalling signals don't require a lot of memorization, they just require attention. The ramp is one of the most dynamic, hazardous environments you'll operate in as a pilot. Fully understanding these signals means you're not guessing what they are when it counts. Quick recap. So spot your marshaller before you move, follow the pointing arms on turns, treat every stop signal as absolute, and keep your cockpit signals visible during pushback. Stay sharp out there, and we'll see you on the next one. To continue learning, make sure to follow us on all of our socials. And once again, thanks for watching.